What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to open and edit the equalizer settings on your Spotify app on your phone. So here I have Spotify opened on my phone. First thing, I have to go to settings on the top right corner here, the settings icon. Tap on it, and then you want to choose playback. That's the fourth option here. If I choose it and scroll down a bit, you'll see here the equalizer option. If I tap on it, you'll see the equalizer. You can manually edit the equalizer yourself here by tapping on the dots and moving them up and down. Or you can choose from the presets here on the bottom, like dance, deep, electronic, and so on. And even in the preset, you can edit it a bit if you want to. And now you have enabled the equalizer. You can disable it by unchecking this here, that says equalizer. And if you choose like a preset and you want to revert to the default equalizer, you can tap on it another time and it'll revert back to the original or default equalizer.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.